Monarchs-TV. Today I'm going to be teaching you an amazing card trick. It is the Biddle card trick. Really cool trick. It is impromptu, sort of edging on the intermediate, not sure. I find it quite easy. Let's get on with the performance. So the spectator can pick anyone they like. I'm not going to look. Now we take their card and put it in the centre of the pack, and we'll give it some cuts just like this. Lost, and we'll give it one more cut, just like that. Now we'll split the deck into half. Now, spectator, which half do you think your card is in? So think this half right here. They take this half here. Now, what would you say if your card was in the top 5 cards of this pile? I say that'd be amazing. So let's have a look. We've got the 5. Oh, and if you see your card, by the way, don't tell me. So we've got the 5 of hearts, the 7 of diamonds, the joker, the 3 of diamonds, and the 2 of clubs. We'll gather the deck back up, set these down. Now, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. Now, if I just snap, one card disappears, and I'm pretty sure it's your card. Now, where's your card gone? I hear you ask. Let's look through the deck, and there's actually one card face down. Your card, the joker. So, don't forget to like, subscribe with notifications, and comment what you thought of this video and what you want me to do next, something like that. And yeah, let's get on with the tutorial. And welcome back to the tutorial for the Biddle card trick. As I said in the performance, this is an impromptu trick, so you can do it with any deck of cards, anytime, anywhere, and you'll get great reactions. So yeah. Now, what you're going to start off by doing, you're going to ask them to pick any card they want. You pick this one here, 4 of hearts. Now you don't look at this, but for demonstration purposes and tutorial, I will look at this. So 4 of hearts. Now you're going to make it look like you're losing their card in the deck, but you're just going to be controlling it to the top. So you can do any method you want. You could do a Herman pass. Comments down below if you want a tutorial for that in the future, because it is an essential card move for magicians, like home. But this is still one of I used in the performance with your pinky or with your thumb, whatever feels comfortable. You're going to swing cut over half of the pack. We're going to drop those 2 cards on top. I'm going to take this pack again, cut it down on the table, put that on top, and their card is now 3 cards from the top. So yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the deck in half, and we're going to say which half do you think your card is in? What you're going to do here, you're going to be giving them a suggestion of yours. So, your card is in here. They're the top 3 cards. Okay. So, what you're going to do is all you're asking is what part of that thing. So, what you're going to say is what part of the card. If they think this part, you're going to say, great, I'll give you this part over here. And if they say this part here, great, you should be clean. Now, to do that, you need to take back this part over here. When coming over to thumb off this ace, you're going to pick up this 4. Let me see if I can do it. So, like that. Now try to do it cleanly. They'll realise that something's gone. So, once again. Bottom with your thumb there, so in full speed. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in full speed it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a powerful condenser to show something. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say, watch, I'll just snap my fingers like this. So